How to record phone calls on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can record your phone calls on Android. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to record your phone calls on your Android. So nowadays most of the Android phones have the built-in feature which allows us to directly record the phone calls directly from their built-in feature. So in order to access that feature, what you can do is, for now I'm using a Samsung phone. The settings may vary from phone to phone, but specifically if you're on a Samsung Android phone, you can follow up the steps. So head over and open up your phone and tap on this three dot at the top right corner and head over to the settings. When you head over there, you can find this record call option, which is under block numbers. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can find this option called auto record calls. So you can go ahead and enable this option, and what that does is it will record each and every call that you will be doing from now onwards, and it will be saved in this storage location that you've selected, and that is it. And if you want to view your recorded calls, you can go ahead and tap on it and you should be able to find the calls that have been recorded on your device. So therefore follow up the method and you should be able to record your phone calls in Android as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.